Welcome to this channel. In this new tutorial series, I'll be introducing us into computer programming using the Python language. And if you have no prior knowledge of computer programming, you don't have to worry, because I'll be taking this series in a very systematic order, step by step. I'm gonna take everything bit by bit so that you get the concept clearly. Python is a very easy language to write. In fact, its syntax is very close to the English language. It has a very vast library support. And if you have interest in going into web development, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, and all, Python is a very good language to begin. So if you have advanced knowledge in programming before now, then you may have to wait till I get to something advanced. But for now, I'm going to start this tutorial for an absolute beginner. We're going to start step by step and make everything very easy to understand. Before we proceed, it will be needed that we install our Python software. So we're going to install our software. All you just need to do is to fire up your browser